Have you been to Jesus for the cleansing power? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb?
Are you fully trusting in His grace this hour? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Come on. Are you washed in the blood, in the soul cleansing blood of the Lamb? Are your garments spotless, only white as snow? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb?
What can wash away my sin? Nothing but the blood of Jesus.
What can make me whole again? Nothing but the blood of Jesus.
There is power, power, wonder-working power in the blood of the Lamb.
There is power, power.
Likey